Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Natalie, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate the support and your interest in my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my 4-year-old's new hair care routine. I have not washed his hair in a couple of weeks or even combed his hair, so I know it's going to be really matted. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to see me do is spray water in his hair, then put coconut oil to detangle it. I read a lot of things about it, and yes, I know it is cooking oil, but you can look online, Google it, and look for the uses, etc. about how good it is. I just recently started using it in my hair and in my kids' hair to detangle, and it is a good way to moisturize your hair without putting a whole bunch of chemicals in it. And as you will see, it does help separating the hair. It's not greasy, and I think it does a good job. So for him, I'm going to wash his hair in the morning with Head & Shoulders Royal Oil shampoo and conditioner. I don't usually put anything in his hair after I wash it, but Cantu leave-in conditioner for kids. And I have noticed that his curls are always still dry, so this is why I'm trying a new routine with him and some different products in his hair.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you.
You can see right now I'm going piece by piece with my fingers in his hair because it's tangled up a lot right there. And sometimes I just like to play with his curls too when it gets wet because it's just so curly and I love it. Let me know in the comments below how you style your child's curly hair. I would love to know. And I should probably get a detangling brush instead of using the comb. I don't know, but let me know what works best. If you guys know, thanks.
Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
Wait, Ian. Say bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye tomorrow.
It's the next day and I just washed his hair. I didn't put anything in it yet. This is how it is after it's washed. You can see he has curly hair and it just needs to be moisturized now.
I won't make it easy for you now.
And after washing his hair, I use Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Curl Cocktail Conditioning Style Cream. I know that's a long name, yeah. And Extreme Styling Gel with it's the one with the blue top.
I'll take it to Mars, oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
What you're going to be seeing right now is I'm going to go in each section of the hair so I can put the conditioner and then the gel.
You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint. You got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
This is his hair now after being done, and this is a few hours after.